سادتي وسادتي، مرحبا بكم في الدوحة عاصمة قطر. بعدكم من 20 حول العالم. يشير توقيت محلي إلى الساعة 12:09. حرصا على سلامتكم يجب بقاء جالسين في مقاعدكم مع ربط الحزام الأمان حتى تتوقف الطائرة نهائيا وتطفئ إشارة ضرب الأحزمة. يرجى توخي الحضانة تفتح الخزائن الهوية مع تكتب جميع أمتعتكم الشخصية عند نزولكم من الطائرة. رجاء انتباها أن يمنعوا منابت التدخين إلا في الأماكن المخصصة لذلك في المطار. ندعو السادة المسافرين الدرجة الأولى ودرجة رجال الأعمال لاستخدام مرفق التحويل المميز في صالة التحويل للرحلات. لقد كان من دعاء سرورنا أن نستضيفكم اليوم، وشكرا لاختياركم السفر على الخطوط الجوية القطرية. الخطوط الجوية القطرية من عمان إلى كل مكان. سيداتي وسادتي، لتسهيل إجراءات الخروج من الطائرة رجل الانتظار إلى حين مغادرة ركاب الصف الذي أمامكم، وشكرا. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your gateway to the world. When the local time here, it's 12:10 a.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead storage compartment and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Customers traveling onward in first and business class are invited to use exclusive premium transfer facility in the transfer hall. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today, and thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. Qatar Airways, going places together. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we ask you that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you for your cooperation.
ドーハへようこそ。世界の玄関口カタールへようこそ。ただいまの現地時刻は午前12時12分でございます。お客様の安全のため機体が完全に止まり、シートベルト着用サインが消えるまでそのままお待ちください。通用のシュード7を開ける際にはお手荷物が落ちることがございますので、十分にお気をつけください。またご号機の際にはお手荷物の携帯電話、パスポート、入国書類や旅券などの書類をお忘れにならないようにお持ちください。喫煙エリア以外での喫煙は許可されておりませんので、どうぞご注意ください。またファーストクラスとビジネスクラスをお乗り継ぎのお客様は、乗り継ぎロビーにございます専用プレミアムトランスファー施設をぜひご利用ください。スムーズなご号機のため、前の列の席が空くまで着席にてお願いをしております。本日はお急ぎの中、出発及び到着が遅れましたこと、乗務員一度お詫び申し上げます。この度は皆様の空の旅をサポートできましたこと、またカタール航空ワンワールドアライアンスをご利用いただきまして誠にありがとうございました。どうぞ素敵な夜をお過ごしください。
Welcome to Barcelona, where the local time is 7:05 a.m. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening the overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One World Alliance. It has been a pleasure taking care of you today. Qatar Airways, going places together. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you.
Welcome everyone to Dublin Airport. We ask you to keep your seatbelts fastened until the respective cabin sign has been turned off. Please open the baggage racks carefully and double check good fall out. We now say goodbye to you and hope you've enjoyed your time with us. We all wish you a pleasant stay here in Dublin or a good and safe onwards journey. Thank you for flying Swiss, take care and goodbye. Liebe Gäste, herzlich willkommen am Flughafen von Dublin. Wir bitten Sie, noch so lange angeschnallt sitzen zu bleiben, bis das entsprechende Leuchtzeichen ausgeschaltet ist. Bitte öffnen Sie die Gepäckablagen vorsichtig, da Gegenstände herausfallen könnten. Wir verabschieden uns nun von Ihnen und hoffen, dass Ihnen der Flug mit uns gefallen hat. Wir alle wünschen Ihnen einen schönen Aufenthalt hier in Dublin oder eine gute und sichere Weiterreise. Besten Dank, dass Sie mit Swiss geflogen sind und auf Wiedersehen.
A very warm welcome everyone here to Copenhagen. The local time has just approached just after 3:20. We've arrived 10 minutes ahead of our schedule. For safety reasons, please do now remain seated with your seatbelts securely fastened, keeping those seat bags and a tray table in the upright position. All of our escape routes do need to remain free of your cabin baggage until the seatbelt signs are switched off for you. Before you leave us this afternoon, ensure that you do take all personal belongings, double checking the seat pocket and the area that's around your seat for your personal items. When leaving the aircraft, be aware there will be a difference in level between the bridge and the stairs. Smoking, as a reminder, here in Copenhagen Airport is only permitted in designated areas. We do hope that you have enjoyed your flight with SAS and SkyTeam. Until next time, from all of us here at SAS, we do thank you. It's certainly been our pleasure to have you with us today, and we'll be looking forward to welcoming you back on board again soon.
Så kan vi ønske velkommen her til Oslo. Af sikkerhedsmæssige hensyn, så bedes du venligst beholde sikkerhedsbæltet fastspændt. Hold stolryggen og bordet i en løjet position. Lad større elektronisk udstyr, eksempelvis en bærbar computer, blive på sin plads, samt hold flugtveje fri for håndbagage. Og det er indtil skiltet med sikkerhedsbæltet D er slukket. Venligst vær forsigtig, når du åbner bagagehylden, så bagagen den ikke falder ud. På vej ud af flyet skal du være opmærksom på, at der kan være en niveauforskel mellem flyet og broen. Rygning er først tilladt i et afmærket rygeområde. Inden du forlader flyet, så kontrollerer venligst, at du ikke efterlader personlige ejendele ombord. Så håber vi, at du har haft en behagelig flyvetur her med os i SAS her til aften. Indtil vi ses igen næste gang, siger vi mange tak og ønsker dig en rigtig god aften. Welcome to Oslo. For safety reasons, please keep your seatbelt fastened. Keep seat back and table upright. Large electronic devices, for example a laptop, stowed. And escape routes free from cabin baggage until the fasten seatbelt sign has been switched off. Please be careful when opening the overhead compartments, as cabin baggage may fall out. When disembarking, be aware of a difference in level between the aircraft and the jet bridge. Smoking is only permitted in designated smoking areas. Finally, we would like to thank you for flying SAS this evening, and we would like to say thank you and goodbye. Do have a pleasant evening.
Ladies and gentlemen, you are very welcome to Marrakesh, where the local time is 35 minutes past 6. For your own comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the captain has switched off the fasten seatbelt light. Please ensure when opening the overhead locker providers to be careful, as items may become dislodged during the landing, fall and go to pieces. For the passenger smoking, please refrain to do so until you are reached at the designated smoking area. You may now use your portable electronic device. Laptop, computers, and larger portable electronic devices must remain switched off and securely fastened. Thank you for choosing to fly with us, and have a good evening. Thank you.
Senhores passageiros, bem-vindos a Lisboa. São neste momento 13 horas e 30 hora local, menos uma hora do que em Marrakech, e a temperatura é de 18 graus. Pedimos que permaneçam sentados com o cinto de segurança apertado até que o sinal seja desligado e a tripulação dê indicação de que podem desembarcar. Informamos que a partir deste momento já podem utilizar todos os equipamentos eletrónicos. Agradecemos a vossa preferência em voar com a TAP Air Portugal, membro da Star Alliance, e esperamos voltar a vê-los em breve a bordo dos nossos aviões. Tenham um bom dia, muito obrigada e até à próxima.
So, it is now 1:30 p.m. local time, 1 hour less than Marrakesh, and the ground temperature is 18 degrees. We ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fastened seatbelt sign is switched off and the crew indicates that you can disembark. From this moment on, you can use all your electronic devices. We would like to thank you for choosing TAP Air Portugal, Star Alliance member, for your flight today, and I look forward to see you again soon. Have a nice day. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bem-vindos a Barcelona. São neste momento 23 horas e 35 minutos hora local, uma hora a mais do que em Lisboa, e a temperatura é de 13 graus Celsius. Pedimos que permaneçam sentados com o cinto de segurança apertado, até que o sinal seja desligado e a interpretação da indicação que podem desembarcar. Informamos que a partir deste momento já podem utilizar todos os equipamentos eletrónicos. Pedimos que tenham cuidado ao abrir as bagageiras para evitar a queda de algum objeto e que confirmem que levam convosco toda a bagagem de mão e artigos pessoais. Obrigada por escolherem viajar com a TAP Air Portugal, uma companhia do grupo Star Alliance. Gostamos de vos ter connosco hoje. Até à próxima. Obrigada. Welcome to Barcelona. It's 35 minutes past 11 p.m. local time, 1 hour ahead of Lisbon, and the ground temperature is 13 degrees Celsius. We ask you to remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the fasten seatbelt sign is turned off and the crew indicates that you can disembark. From this moment on, you can use all your electronic devices. We ask you to open luggage bins carefully to prevent objects from falling, and please confirm that you take all your personal belongings with you. We thank you for choosing to fly with TAP Air Portugal, a Star Alliance member. We certainly have enjoyed sharing a part of our day with you. See you next time. Thank you.
Welcome to Doha, the state of Qatar, your mission to the world, where the local time is 6:30 a.m. For your safety, please remain seated with the seatbelt fastened until the aircraft is completely stopped and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. As we will be using stairs, please take extra care and hold onto the handrail as you disembark. Customers traveling onwards in first and business class are invited to use the exclusive premium transfer facility in the transfer hall. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today, and thank you for choosing to fly with Qatar Airways and the One with Alliance. Qatar Airways, go places together. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you.
Welcome to Osaka. The local time here is 4:26 in the afternoon. For your safety, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has completely stopped and the seatbelt sign switched off. Please take care when opening overhead storage compartments and ensure that you have all your personal belongings and travel documents with you as you disembark the aircraft. Remember that smoking is not permitted until you are within a designated smoking area. Thank you for choosing to fly with the Qatar Airways and One World Alliance. It has been our pleasure taking care of you today. Qatar Airways, going places together. Ladies and gentlemen, we'd like to apologize for the late arrival of this aircraft or any inconveniences that I may have caused you. Thank you for your understanding. Ladies and gentlemen, in order to ensure a smooth disembarkation process, we ask that you remain seated until the row ahead of you has vacated. Thank you and have a great day. 大阪にようこそ。ただいまの現地時間は午後4時27分です。お客様の安全のため、機体が完全に止まり、シートベルト着用サインが消えるまでそのままお待ちください。頭上の収納棚を開ける際にはお気をつけください。また、ご降機の際にはお手荷物のほか、入国書類や旅券などの書類をお忘れにならないようにお持ちください。喫煙エリア以外でのタバコはご遠慮ください。カタール航空とワンワールドアライアンスをご利用いただき、誠にありがとうございました。
またのご利用をお待ち申し上げております。カタール航空 Going Place Together、 お客様にご案内申し上げます。スムーズな航機のため、前の列の席があくまで着席をお願いしています。ご協力いただきありがとうございます。